Today I wanted to show something I discovered the other day. I was presenting some of my projects in the Quilmes Game Fest. It was an interesting experience. Perhaps I will make a video about that. The question is that some of the players tested the game, this game and others, using a controller. And they discovered that several of the movements, in particular the down movement, was very flaky. Let me show you. If I press down once here, I grab the box. But if I maintain the controller pressed, I release the box immediately because the code uses the, let me show you here in play input. We have code for the just pressed events and the pressed events. And this fires every frame if we are maintaining the controller pressed. And this I was controlling for the situation when you just release the box, as you see here. Let me show you again. When you release the box and maintain the controller pressed, nothing happened because I maintain that flag when I make a release movement, but I was not controlling for the grab event. So I tried adding the same kind of flag for the grab event, no? And now I'm maintaining the controller down and the player doesn't release the box. And then you can continue grabbing and releasing with different input steps without risk of making two movements at once, which is very annoying when you are maneuvering with precision. But then I discovered, let me search, let me show you this instead. For example, here we have a ladder. If I go to the ladder and press down here, no, it's in this case. When you go down the ladder here, you can grab the box involuntarily. So I was thinking and decided to simplify the code and using directly, for example, I could directly not use the action pressed event, no? And only the just pressed event. So but that has the problem that in the corridors, when you exit, you want to navigate the ladders without interruptions. So the correct solution is to use that event, but instead of, let me comment this, instead of using these cumbersome flags, use the is inside condition that I had from before, and all these variables, let me comment the variables and remove the mentions of the variables. And now the code is simpler, and in the let me make a new game. So inside the I'm not making the correct here. If I'm not inside, it was the opposite behavior. So inside the levels, I can maneuver more carefully with the boxes without releasing them or grabbing them involuntarily. And once I'm outside a level, let me show, I can press the button and do the continuous movement. So I wanted to show that sometimes you must forget the complexities or avoid the complexities of extra flags and situations and corner cases and reconsider the different situations of a game. When you are inside, you need more careful control, and where you are roaming freely, you need speed. So that's it for today. I wanted to show it because it could be interesting to other developers. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions or comments, and please consider supporting my work using some of the links below. Bye.